Hi, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. Today we will identify the solution to the problem in our story. We will use our graphic organizer to illustrate our solution, and then we will write one sentence for the solution. This is important so that we can become better writers. Remember that the problem is something that the characters want to change, fix, or figure out, and the solution is a way to solve that problem. So it has to be something that helps them solve their problem. We're going to use our pictures that we used from nature with our characters and our setting. My character was the squirrel, the setting was the tree, and then yesterday I drew a picture of the problem that he didn't have enough food for the winter. Now today I need to think of a solution that's actually going to solve that problem. So if he doesn't have any food for the winter, what can the squirrel do to solve that problem? Can he order food on Amazon? No. Can he go to Pizza Hut? No. What can a squirrel actually do to solve his problem? That's right. He can collect food for the winter. He can save his food. He can store up enough that he has plenty of food for when it gets really cold outside. So here is my solution that I drew for my problem that my squirrel was having yesterday. So yesterday he was really sad. He had a sad face and he had very little food left. He was running out of food. So the problem was there isn't enough food left for the winter. Now the best solution for him would be to go and pick up all these tiny little pecans that are under his tree. He doesn't even have to leave his home to pick up these pecans and save them for the winter. So my solution sentence says the squirrel is collecting pecans for the winter. So if you look at your picture that you drew, how is he solving his problem? Then that's what my sentence is going to be about. It's just going to be about my picture that solves his problem of not having enough food left for the winter. So when you are getting ready to write your solution, I want you to think about your problem from yesterday. What did you draw yesterday? What did you write yesterday? Now the solution needs to actually solve the problem. Can I just say he ran away or he went to the store? No, not really. That would not really solve his problem. So I came up with an actual solution that would fix his problem or help him figure something out. Okay, so the solution needs to solve your character's problem. And then you need to, you can take a picture and turn it into your teacher. And tomorrow we are going to write our stories. So let's review what we talked about today. We reviewed that the problem is something that the characters want to change, fix, or figure out. And the solution is the way to solve the problem. We used our pictures from nature, our characters and our setting from our pictures. Mine was the squirrel in the tree. Nothing changed there. And then we added a solution to the problem that we wrote yesterday. And that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.